Okay, so here's my collection of homelite chainsaws right now. I had the XL number 2 and XL number 1 and the Super XL automatic oiler and my homelite 340 chainsaw. So I did put a new pull rope in it just a couple hours ago. Put a new handle on it. Now I can be more comfortable using it. I'm starting it. They're very good saws and pretty neat machines. They're made in America in North Carolina. And I already did them in a few cuts with them. They cut real good. And that thing cuts real good because I got it running good. And it oils the chain real well. I'm very happy. I don't have to work on the oiler. I'm gonna have to get an air filter for it because it's hard to start it without a choke. But the kill switch on the Homelite XL number 1 doesn't work on it no more. But they all do run, but I'm not gonna start them. But I guess I could definitely start them. Only for a little bit. Not sure that 340 is gonna start. But I don't think it ain't gonna start. It ain't gonna start. It's hard to do it without a choke. Now for the Super XL. Runs real good. I did put some seafoams into the saws, the 340, Super XL, and the XL number 1. The on and off switch on the XL number 1 doesn't work anymore. My phone fell down onto the ground. I'm gonna have to get a tripod. runs real good. And finally, the number 2. But they all run. I'm not going to make cuts with them. But they're very good machines. Good saws. Way a lot better than those Chinese. Way a lot better than those Chinese chainsaws that's out there. Well, anyways, here's the video of my homelite collection in June 2024. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe and tell me what you think. And I'll see you next time. I'm gonna go back down to the house and make me some dinner. Mikey out.